Kolkata, a city rich in heritage and legacies, stands by the banks of River Hooghly. The beauty of this historical city is reflected through its rich architecture and culture. Did we ever wonder what happens to the daily sewerage of this beautiful city? How does it look like, or where does it go? A major wing of the sewerage canal of the city cuts across a densely populated locality of the Tiljala region of Topsia, where the brutal reality of life has been thriving since long. The slums reek of unhygienic living conditions, illiteracy, hunger, and unemployment. While some of the residents cut and shape pieces of leather, the others work as daily wage labor. The highest wage earner in this locality of about 2 to 2,500 rupees only.
ये हमारी 4 बच्ची है, उम्मीद में पढ़ती है।
My name is Shahjahan Khatun. I am 11 years old. I want to become a doctor.
My name is Kanija Khatun.
Almost a similar kind of slum thrives by the railway tracks of Park Circus, visible to the daily commuters of the local trains. Satisfying their hunger is perhaps the only dream these people live with, which even at times seems unattainable. This painful existence, however, could not rob the joyous spark of optimism in their eyes, as they are hopeful about the younger generation. Saving these innocent souls from the clutches of hunger and pathetic living conditions towards a brighter future has been the sole forte of Umeed Foundation.
हमारा नाम शेख साहबुद्दीन, हमारा बच्चे का नाम है रुखसार। 2 दिन में उम्मीद में पढ़ने जा रहा है, हमको अच्छा लग रहा है।
My name is Mohammad Rishad. I am a boy. I am 9 years old. I study in class LKG. My school name is Umeed.
मदद कर मेरी दो जहानों के मालिक, मुसीबत में मैंने पुकारा है तुझको.
Every parent dreams of their kids soaring high in life, and to nurture such dreams to fruition, Umeed had been developed into a state-of-the-art educational institution. Mr. Rahmani, along with his team of experts, is dedicated to providing these children with a bright and promising future, free of cost. Although the medium of teaching is English, the Islamic teachings have also been made a part of the curriculum. Subjects such as mathematics, science, and arts, to name a few, are also taught with equal care.
When I'm asked to talk about Umeed, then I have to begin by saying what my mentor Mr. Pope has taught me, that nothing on earth happens by default, it happens by design. And hence, forming Umeed home, starting Umeed home, is also not by default, rather it is by design, a grand design by God. And when I went out to the world by saying that this is my dream, that I want to become a father of 10 before I turn 20, the world laughed at me. And then I was reminded of a quote by Mr. Robin Sharma, where he says that if people aren't laughing at your dreams, that means you don't have a big enough dream.
Mother Teresa had once said, "There are no great things, there are small things with great love." At Umeed, we do not claim to do great things, we do small things with great love. Before we teach our children science, mathematics and language, we teach them love and compassion, honesty and integrity. We teach them to be human first. Our mission and vision at Umeed is to turn these children from liability of the society to the assets of the society.
At present, Umeed is a home to about 60 children aspiring for a brighter future. The school has separate sections for male and female students. The children are provided with uniforms, texts and study materials. Umeed also takes care of its young hearts by providing them nutritious meals to ensure the growth of a healthy body and mind. The institution is strictly under CCTV surveillance at all times. The members of this noble initiative hold the key to shape and build successful futures of these children, and hence have employed specialized teachers for each of the subjects to help the all-round development of each one of them.
When I went out to the world with the idea of Umeed, the world said it's an insane idea. And when today more than 50 boys and girls call me Abbaji, which in Urdu means father, I want to turn back to the same people and tell them that yes, it was an insane idea. And then we bought best of teachers for our kids from the best of institutions across the country, because we did not want to compromise on the quality of education. We got the best of infrastructure made for our kids because we wanted to give our kids a homely environment.
We are Mr. and Mrs. Akhtar over here. We basically are the house parents and the teachers of the boys of Umeed. Children at Umeed are away from their home, and this is their home, away from their own home. Thus, we don't call ourselves their teachers, but house parents. We here treat these kids just like our own children.
Each and every child, we have a special bonding, which we see to it that every child is cared individually. And in Umeed, this is taken care of by all the teachers and by all the non-teaching staff also. And Umeed is a place where we nurture the child, we give them a holistic development.
My name is Brenda Scott. I have my two helpers also with me who do a good job. I teach the children of lower nursery, upper nursery and class 1. And my designation here is as a house mother.
Apart from rendering education, the students at Umeed are also trained in skills of martial arts. The students of Umeed have also secured a winning position in the national competition of martial arts. Umeed Foundation is very dedicated towards their cause and have left no stones unturned at providing the best that they can. They are very hopeful and optimistic regarding the future of their students.
Umeed, hope for a better tomorrow.
Kids where they are going to be 10 years down the line. When I just simply close my eyes and I sit back on my chair and I imagine someone as doctor, someone as engineer, someone as, and they are, leading the world, they are successful in their respective fields. It's a beautiful, beautiful feeling.
अब्बा जी हमें सच बोलना सिखाते हैं और एक अच्छा इंसान बनाना चाहते हैं। मैं बड़े होकर अमीर बनना चाहता हूँ, गरीबी को खत्म करना चाहता हूँ।
I know I'm not a biological father to these kids. I know I'm not even a legal father to these kids because I'm just 20, I can't be their legal father. And I don't want to be their biological father or legal father also. And I'm very happy and contented with the fact that these kids consider me as their father. That's enough for me when they call me Abbaji. If you believe that our work is genuine and our intentions are pure, then you can help us in 3 ways. You can help us firstly, financially. You can contribute in the given bank details. Secondly, you can be here physically at Umeed and help us. Thirdly, if not physically and financially, you can send your blessings and good wishes to us. Thank you.